As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5 star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. We don't have anything regarding the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 at the moment, so once again we'll have to rely on guesswork. We expect Samsung to keep the price of the base 256GB Galaxy Z Fold 6 model unchanged at $1,799 and we expect $120 extra to be able to double that storage. For the 1TB version, you should probably prepare north of $2,100, but of course Samsung has been doing great trade-in deals for the past couple of years, and this is not likely to change with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Korean company often offers up to $800 in trade-in credits, but you have to trade a flagship model such as the current Z Fold 5, a Galaxy S Ultra model, or an iPhone Pro Max. Carriers also offer trade-ins, and if you add a new line to the mix, you could probably shave up to $1,000 off the MSRP of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. We expect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on board. Despite the fact that we might get a Plus version of the chipset in the meantime, we don't expect Exynos variants to make the cut, as the Korean company relies heavily on a Snapdragon for its foldables. What we do expect is a specially tuned version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 wearing the For Galaxy moniker. What it actually means is that the clock rates will be a tad higher, resulting in slightly better benchmark scores if thermal throttling is tamed, that is. The latest leak in that area corroborates all the expectations. It's a Geekbench listing that reveals an octa-core processor with the codename Pineapple. This chip uses a 1+3+2+2 core configuration and an Adreno 750 GPU. The prime core is clocked at 3.4 GHz, with the three performance cores running at 3.15 GHz. This clearly points toward a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor.